Hey y'all, so today I just wanted to show you how to get to this rear speaker in a 2009 Honda Civic EX Coupe. It's a two-door, so you're gonna have to put the seats down. I got a bunch of stuff in my trunk, but yeah, so there's little clips here. You're just gonna lift up and out for the left side, like the right middle for both of those where the little divots are. And then on that right side, make sure you get the seat belt out of the way. It just goes right in between these two plastic pieces. So I was trying to figure out how to get this piece out. I was just kind of looking around. There's clips in the back left and in the back right. I kind of just like was shimmying it up and this way. So up and towards the car. And I ended up getting it out, but now I got to figure out what I need to unplug. I'm pretty sure it's this piece right here. I just got to get a screwdriver, take this out so that when I pull on the big plastic piece, this can freely. So if we're looking at the trunk here, this is the outside of the car. I'm gonna go up to right of that middle speaker, undo this. This is what the clip looks like. Try to go for the sides and get it pinched. I just use a flat head to get on each side, the left and right, and it comes right out. All right, so we got this plastic piece out, and this is what it looks like underneath. And this is if you have an EX model. If you have the LX, I'm pretty sure it just comes with the two rear speakers. They're a lot easier to take out. But as you see, I have some housekeeping to do up here. But then I'll go and show removing these 4 bolts. I already have it unplugged up and under there. You don't have to take this black piece off. And then there's 2 bolts on the very side. One right back there, one on the other side. Just a quick tip, might want to get one of these. They're at Home Depot. I got a set of 2 of these things for like $5, $6. It just makes it easy to get to these screws, especially the ones in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna start removing the speaker. All right, so I got the 4 screws / bolts out. The back ones were a pain, but then I just kind of put my finger under here, lift it up, and it came right out of it. So literally just lift up, make sure you unplug it. I unplugged the battery too, just so that there wasn't any complications with that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this plastic piece off and get it all undusted with some cleaning stuff.
Also take this up at Civic.
All right, so here's the new speaker. Same thing, just way cleaner. It's got all the foam cushion on it already, so I'm gonna remove the ones that are already on here, clean it up a little bit so it's got, you know, a nice place to sit. All right, so that's as good as it's gonna get. It's pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and think it was this way. So the plug is on the left. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it's back here. Yeah, that's where the plug is. So I'm gonna put it on the left. This magnet is annoying. I'm gonna put that right here. Let's get the holes aligned. And then I'll find center with the screws. I'd say just a heads up, put these in by hand first, just so they can get, you know, threaded in. And then I'm gonna take my screwdriver and kind of go in there with that, but just go slow, don't force anything. If you're forcing it, it's gonna break. I've broken way too much crap to do that again, especially on an expensive piece. So it literally wasn't on there tight when I started taking them off, so don't put it on tight. These are just plastic little clips. If they break, it's gonna rattle, it's gonna be annoying. So just take it in nice and easy. The foam will do all the rest. Trying to set my phone up the best way possible. Make sure the seatbelt goes through that. I'm just feeling around for the wire so I can put it back in that spot. Kind of hard working in here, but we make it work. Alrighty, got that through the hole. Let's line these up with, all right. That's down in there. This one needs to be pushed back. Okay. I can start pushing down. Yep, there we go. It's hard to see them, but you can see the two middle ones that go on either side of the big speaker in the middle. And you can kind of see the top right if you're looking back at the car. I don't know if I can see this one. I could if I got out of the car, but you can also see up in here. So this one's right on the money. Just push that down. Let's see, there's definitely a couple more. Yeah, so the rest, I'm just gonna take a guess and push down. Okay, so I got it all in. This left corner was just up about a ½ inch. I just kind of pushed down and wiggled on it pretty hard. And then these just snapped in like down. So got the seatbelt through it. Fix this one. That's not a big deal. But yeah, it's all clipped in. I just need to plug in the top brake light, and we should be set to go. Put the seats back up, and all is good.